Hey, welcome back to HMR. Been out here for a few hours. I'll show you what I've been up to, and you'll probably say, a few hours with all that? Yes. Let's go back to the trunk pan on the 59. Let me show you the patch panel or the trunk pan replacement, what I did with this. And see, I'm learning. I got a little smarter. I've been putting gloves on because my hand's been getting all cut up from the metal. So even though they're welding gloves, whatever, save my hands. So what I did, I don't think I told you this on the last video, but this is the replacement for the passenger side trunk pan. This is the brace. I knocked the spot welds off that because I'm going to use the original brace. Let's go around to the trunk and show you what I've been up to. And so I've been trimming this to fit the body mount up there. I actually took the floor pan was spot welded to this brace. So I undid the spot welds, cut the original floor pan off, and then this, it still needs to be fitted a little bit better, but the whole idea, that's really, yeah, that's pretty close. Pretty close. I got to trim this up here, but you get the idea. Well, there we go. Underneath the body mount, this piece will be cut. This will be all original, so I saved the jack, and here's the original brace. Once this is in and I have this tacked in, I'll go ahead and tack this in. And as you can see, I fixed the brace. It was quite rotted. I had to cut off the majority of it and rebuild it, but we got it done. That way, at least I'll have some similarities to both sides, and it'll work. One thing on this side, because it's a little extra rotted around the body mount, I'm gonna have to cut this down, and this is supposed to go in here. Anyway, I got to cut this down to get this piece right here, just going along here. But I tell you what, this side is going really well, and I've got a couple of, you can see these holes. Well, here you can go on the back side this way. Oh, this, yeah. So where is it? I got here, and I got a spot here. So, man, I'll tell you what. You know, I always set goals for myself. I guess because I want to get it done. I always have to prolong those goals. I thought in my mind that I already have this completely done and would be on to the quarter panels and fixing all that stuff, but not yet. Anyways, hey, don't forget to subscribe and like. I appreciate you. Thanks.